Okay, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing a full review on the new Ultimate Ears Hyperboom here. And I'll be showing you some hidden features and the app later on in this video as well. So first off, I'll start with the controls on the top. We've got the power button here, obviously, does nothing apart from turning on. The volume buttons, you touch that and this, and they're just a touch sensitive. So if I play a song, you just tap them. So they turn up, you tap them, and they turn down, which is quite nice. It's very simple. And if you touch them both at the same time,
80% charge.
You get the charge, which is very nice because lots of speakers have a problem with seeing how they're charged. There's a microphone just at the end here, which I'm told is for the speaker. So the speaker uses that microphone to know when it's inside or outside, and it adjusts the sound accordingly. So it's quite intelligent actually. So, and then you've got this thing here. So if you press the circle, you get an aux input from the back. This is an optical input, and then you can have two Bluetooth devices connected. Then you've got your play and pause button here. So if you press that, it will play and pause. If you double click it, it will skip to the next song. So I don't think there's any triple tap to go back, but not many speakers have that nowadays for some reason. So you've got that. And if you connect the app correctly, if you hold this, okay, well, I'm using this to connect to at the moment, which doesn't have the app, but as I'll show you later on the app, you can select your favorite playlist from somewhere, and if you if you hold that, even when the speaker's off, it will just start playing your playlist.
Please make sure your app is running and can access the internet.
There you go. See, it's trying to find the app. So if you did have the app connected, like I do on my phone I'm currently using to record, it would work fine. So around the back here, it's got a nice square design, and it does have a handle here that pops out the back. It might not appear very strong, but it does actually feel surprisingly sturdy, and that pulls out obviously, and you can see how you can just easily carry that around. It's about 6 kilograms, I believe, so it's not light, but it's not too uncomfortable, and I like, the strap's kind of extendable, whatever. So you've got your ports at the back here. Sorry about this. So there's a USB out there for charging devices. Obviously this can be used as just a speaker, a portable charger. There's an optical in, an aux in, and a power port there. And that's some servicing thing at the top, which no one will ever use. And obviously then you get this suction waterproof cap thing here. So if you're taking it outside and it starts to rain, you make sure that's closed obviously, and the speaker should be fine. So apart from that, there isn't really much to show you apart from the app, to be honest. But I've had the speaker for a day or two now, and I think it's brilliant. I especially like the touch controls and the battery, because I've normally used the boombox up till now, and that has really no way of seeing the battery because that line at the bottom's useless. So I like this very well. And the touch buttons make it, it feels a bit more modern, feels a bit more high tech, and I think it looks quite nice. It's got a modern design. So yeah, I'll take you to my video of the app now, and then any questions, put them down in the comments and I'll do my best to reply. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Ultimate Ears Boom app. Once you connect the speaker, it comes up here in a little box, and then you can adjust the volume with these two buttons at the bottom. Anything like that, you can see the volume bar changes at the top. There is a power button, you can turn the speaker on and off. So if the speaker is connected to power, you'd be able to turn it back on through this app. I don't see how it would be if it wasn't connected to power, but maybe it's a little bit magic like that. If you press this button here, you can choose the audio sources, as I was explaining earlier. And then this is the magic bit really, where if you add so at the moment there's only 3 providers. For some reason Spotify isn't here. I'll be waiting for that one. But when you do, you can add your playlist or whatever from Apple Music. And then when you hold down that button on the top, it will just play that. Even if the speaker's off, it will just play that song, play that playlist. And I think that's pretty brilliant really, because you don't even have to get your phone out. So that's nice. And then you got the settings up here. It will do an update when you first get it. You can turn speaker sounds on and off. It's even got an alarm feature. So you can set your alarm for the morning, you can set it to repeat daily, and the music can just be your last played one, which is quite nice. Then you've got the one touch to your playlist thing is the thing I was going on about. So, yeah. So, and then the party up, obviously, if you go to this button at the bottom here, it will search for other speakers it compared to. I'm not sure which ones it can. I'm guessing a lot of the Ultimate Ears ones. So if it finds that, you can party up. You can have a big party with all your mates, whatever. And then this screen over here just shows you the equalizer, and it says it's adaptive. Obviously, I just keep it on as adaptive because that's what that mic was doing. I'll show you at the top. I have shown you even. It was just adapting that for you, and they've clearly put a lot of work into that. There's no point changing it, so that's good. So, yeah. The sound of this speaker as well is, if you've heard, or the JBL Boombox 2, it's very, very similar to that. I'd say it's a little more bassy. So the only thing I think it has a disadvantage in, is the fact it's not as waterproof and it doesn't feel as rugged. You see what I mean? Like, it feels like if you did drop it, it might, it would definitely look a bit deformed afterwards, whereas a boombox, you feel a bit more safe just kind of throwing it around. So if you want something rugged, definitely the boombox is for you. But if you want something a bit more modern, stylish, and slightly better sound, then this one's for you. You can see my video comparing the two speakers, the video previous to this, if you want more information. So, thanks for watching.